Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Cooking with Simi. Now today we're going to do something different. We're going to be reviewing a product that I received as a birthday gift from my one and only sister. I'm gonna get my nieces to help me out with this product. It's called a mini donut maker by Pretty Pink. If you have a look at the description below on the link, you would know where to get this product from and how to look it up. Now it's pretty simple. It's not that difficult to set up. Just take it out of the packaging as I'm doing here. I'm gonna get my little helpers to help me out here. So let me introduce you to my nieces, Nia and Annika, who will be helping me out with the cooking video as well as reviewing it. So be careful guys, this product is lightweight. It's made out of non-stick material, so it does heat up pretty quickly and it gets hot quickly. So if there are any kids about, don't let them touch the inner sides of the actual machine. Now set it up, put the plug on and wait for the indicator. In the meantime, lightly grease the casing of the donut maker just to help it ease out once the actual donut is ready. It makes life easier instead of having to poke it out in case it sticks, but I doubt if it will stick. Now let's get cooking with the instructions. The recipe that was given on the actual product itself, it came with the actual packet. Now I've asked the nieces to pour me some self-raising flour, 1.5 cups, and then they've added 3/4 cups of sugar. Now as you can see, they're all patiently, I've got 3 helpers here. One who I haven't introduced is Rafiza. She's my eldest niece. Now they're pouring the sugar, and then you've got 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there just to help it rise up as well. It says on the instruction. Now mix all the dry ingredients together like this, like my little niece is doing. Add 1 egg cracked, and then to that add 1.5, actually half a cup of milk, because we're doing a small batch at the moment, and then 4 tablespoons of butter. Now the butter is optional. You can put either margarine if you prefer, but I prefer butter. So this is soft butter. That's 4 tablespoons of butter there. Now the next part, it requires an adult to do this, because I wouldn't recommend a child operating an electronic machine. So whisk all the ingredients together and then add the liquid to the dry mix, and hopefully eventually should get a batter-like consistency. Now I'm getting my older niece to help me out here. Once you whisk all the ingredients together properly, it would turn into a batter mix just like this. Now carefully pour the batter mix into the heated donut maker, bearing in mind not to overfill it or spill it around the sides. Do as neatly as you can. Now this 1 cup should fill the 4 ramekin of donut. Now close the machine and wait for the indicator to say it's ready. Now voila, we have a machine that makes donuts within a couple of minutes basically. When the light indicates that it's done, open it and then take the donuts out carefully. Now I'm using a toothpick here. You can use whatever non-stick utensils you have available. Now being careful to take it out as the plates are really hot. I'm using my fingers here, but I'm used to heat, so I wouldn't recommend a child taking things out like this, but if you're used to heat, you'll be able to just lift it off without touching the sides. At this point you can test or taste to see if you require more sugar. You can add that to the batch, and it's however you prefer. I prefer it like this. It's enough sugar and salt in there to balance everything, but as I say, you could switch it up yourself. Voila, with this batch you could make around about 20 donuts. So if you want to make a party product, you can double the batches up. You can decorate it or keep it plain, as I like to keep it plain, or dunk it in chocolate sauce. It's entirely up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for watching. See you again soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe.